Multi-step word problems, oh how I love thee. Multi-step word problems are a place that we really need to think about those videos that we watched at the beginning of the year. That struggle is good. Struggle is a good thing. When we have to reread something and try different ways, that's good. Our brain is growing. That drawing a picture helps us in math. That taking something that's big and breaking it down to make it smaller is something that we as fifth graders need to do, especially when we're considering multi-step word problems. Because if I didn't do those things, I would read this story and I would do this. I bought a highlighter for 9 cents and 6 pencils for 4 cents each. How much did I spend at the school store? Well, spending means adding things together. So I'm going to take my 9, 6, and 4, and I'm going to add them together. But I'm going to put cents. I am actually going to use a variable. I have an equation. I have a label. I'm done. How much did you spend? Spend 19 cents. But I did nothing that we learned in those videos. I didn't take my time. I didn't reread the problem and see what made sense. I didn't draw a picture, and therefore this answer is wrong. So I need to back up and pretend that never happened. And I need to undo my thinking there and actually be a fifth grade mathematician. I bought a highlighter for 9 cents. I'm going to underline my important information. I know A means 1. And 6 pencils for 4 cents each. How much did I spend at school? Well, she bought a highlighter. Here's my highlighter picture for 9 cents. Then Carly got 6 pencils. There's my 6 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for 4 cents each. And I know and is a word that means together, just like in our writing, a conjunction, which is and, puts 2 parts of a sentence together. So the same thing in math. And is a conjunction that puts 2 parts of math together. So I have 9 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. And notice I use these things called parentheses. I'm going to make them actually a different color so they're really sticking out. Parentheses group things together. So my parentheses here represent all my pencils. Now I know that repeated addition, which is 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and adding them together, can be written as multiplication. So I could also write this as 9 plus, keep my parentheses to keep the pencils together, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And I'm going to put a variable at the end. I'm using C for cents because my things are cents. They're not dollars in my story. Now I broke my story down into a picture, and then I broke it down into parts. I have my highlighter as one part and my pencils as another part. And I'm putting them together because of the word and. So I'm really paying attention to every piece of this story. My parentheses tell me I need to solve that by itself. So 4 times 6, I know, is 24. So now I have 9 plus 24 equals C. 9 plus 24 is 33 cents. So C equals 33 cents. There is my solution. I'm going to double check that I have all of my pieces real fast. I have my equation, my variable, my solution, and my label. That is how a multi-step problem, taking my time, reading and rereading, drawing a picture, and breaking it down into parts. Good luck.